Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear grade 1 students? Are you all right? Today we will continue with our lessons in our book, Jolly Phonics. We are studying now book 3. We're studying the sounds in book 3. Today we will take the third sound in book 3, which is the A sound. The letter, let's see together. Let's open the book. We will take letter U, A sound. Open your books with me to page, yes, right here. Page 6. Let's see together. The letter that we're studying is the U. U, this is capital U. This is small u. You can say uppercase and lowercase. So, what is the sound of this letter? Let's see together. All right. The sound is ah. You open your mouth, you say ah. Be careful, it's not ah and it's not oh. No, it's ah. Your mouth is open. Ah, your lips are open. Okay? So the sound is ah. Here we have the action. Pretend you are putting up or opening an umbrella. Umbrella. You see, this is the umbrella. You use it to cover your head from the rain, or maybe the sun as well. So put your hands like this, close together on top of each other, and then move your hand up like this. Say ah, umbrella, ah, ah. So this is the action that is for the U letter, the sound. The action is like pretending to putting up an umbrella. All right? Here in this page, the pictures or the words that has the in them is the umbrella. All right? All right. Before we go and start writing, I have here some words. You ready? The first one is, of course, something we use to take cover from the rain and the sun. What is it? I just told you. Remember? Yes, it is the umbrella. Umbrella. Say with me. Umbrella. Okay. Second picture for today is a word we use. I'm going to show you. You're going to tell me. So, if you have a table and someone is here, he is hiding. What is the word we use? You have a table and someone is hiding. We say with me, it begins with ah. What is it? Yes, very good, guys. It is under. Under. The teddy bear is under the table. Under. Underneath. Under. So the word is under, begins with ah. Okay. Now we want to go to our house in the building. All right? We go, the stairs are like this. So what is this direction? Is it down? No, it's the opposite of down. And it begins with the ah sound. What is it? Look at this boy. He's moving up. Say with me, up. Well done, very good. So the word is up. Let's now go back to the book and see how we write the letter and some more words. Here we have the umbrella. You finish drawing the umbrellas here. and you write the words here. It says up, the umbrella, up, umbrella, up, umbrella. All right. How do we write it? We start from the dot, go down, turn, go up. Don't remove your hand. Go down again and make a small curve. Again, from the dot, go down, turn, go up again, go down again. And when you write each letter, you say the sound ah, ah, ah. This is the small ah, small u. This is the capital U. The capital U doesn't have a small curve at the end like this one. No, it just go down, turn, go up again. That's it. Here we have three words that has the ah sound. This one we studied it. Let's write the U small. Up, up. Say with me. Up, up. We do the actions so we can remember the sound together. Here the second word has the U, the ah in the middle of the word. It's not the first one, so it's in the middle. Let's do it together. Finish writing. Then we say the word s, ah, sun. This one is up, up. Let's write the U here, then we read the word together. Der, d, r, a, drum, drum, d, r, a, drum. All right, guys, by this we come to the end of our video and lesson for today, which is the letter U, sound. The sound is ah. All right, don't forget, play the video again and again so you can master saying the sound, writing the letter, and blending the sound with other sounds to make words and read them in a good way. I hope you learned with me this sound today and you had fun. I see you in coming lessons, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.